Hello my friends, do you love slimline cards? If you do, you need to watch this video because look at this gorgeous slimline card, and you know what? We are releasing now slimline stitched rectangles. I know, isn't that amazing? Look at that. They all nest perfectly and you have so many different options. You can even use 2 at a time and make some frames. So fun. We're also releasing our cute little fox. Now I've had so many requests for wedding attire. Well, we already have the tuxedo. Now we have a cute little wedding dress. Look at how cute that is. And if you buy the dies, guess what? I even threw in a veil for our little fox. Yes, all of these clothing fit our other little peeps. Yay! I know, so fun. Can you imagine all the little people dressed up in wedding attire? So fun. We are also releasing a fun card front die. This one says, I'm so grateful for you. And let me show you what it looks like because it always makes more sense when you see the card itself. Look at that. So most of those pieces come out by themselves, so it's all together, so it's so easy to make fun cards like this. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, you know how much I love my holographic paper. Look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Cut out of black cardstock, and how perfect is that? Isn't that so fun with the holographic behind it? Now here's another cute one. I'm so grateful for you. Or you can use the dies instead. It's up to you. You get to use both. Now let's look at some more samples, and then I have another item to share with you that is so gonna knock your socks off. Ready? So here's some more stitched rectangles. Stitched rectangles really just add a lot to our slimline cards because they just add a little tiny bit of detail that you almost might miss if you weren't looking, but if you didn't have that detail, you would notice, right? Look how fun that is. If you use 2, you can make a frame. I love it. Here's some, oh, look at our cute little fox pulling that wagon of chickens. Is that the cutest thing you ever saw or what? I love it. There's our fence in the background. So fun. Here's another cute fox. Oh, dressed in our cute little overalls. Love it. Here's a cute one dressed up, ready to go. You are one foxy lady. Look at that. You are one foxy lady. Here's a cute one. Oh, this looks like the little, oh, that is so cute. I love that. All dressed up, ready to go. You are so clever. Here's a cute one, all dressed up. Hey, Foxy. Oh, here's another, I'm so grateful for you. Cut out using also our large scallop square, large scallop rectangle. Love it. Now, I have another item to share with you that is a little on the different side, but let me just tell you, I've wanted it forever. So, have you ever seen the fun shakers that are like this, that are literally just the entire card? Well, guess what? We have them now. They come in packs of 100, and I know you're thinking, oh, that's just a clear envelope. Well, this one's a little different because it's not an envelope size. It's not an A2 envelope size. It's smaller. It will fit your card fronts. It will layer on top of an A2 card. So you will still have the border all the way around. Now, what are you going to do with it? You are going to die cut a card back, a card front that would normally just layer on top of a card, right? But instead, I've put it inside this little envelope. Put it in there, right? Get it? Then I'm gonna add some of my yummies. So this one is what's this one called? Metallic Mix. So I'm gonna open this up, and I'm just, the fastest shaker you've ever made, let me tell you. So let's add a whole bunch. Then we are gonna seal it up, and we are going to fold it up, and now we are going to adhere it to the front of our card, just regular adhesive, and look, now you have a shaker. Is that the awesomest or what? A full card shaker, fastest shaker you have ever made in your life, and look how easy that was, right? I know. Awesome, right? It layers perfectly on an A2 size card. Absolutely so fun, and the fastest shaker you've ever made. They're now on our website. They're called A2 full card shakers. You're gonna love them. Now, club members, you know the deal. You are getting the club discount on all of these products, which is absolutely amazing, right? Now, if you're not in the club, you need to go check it out. You have to go check it out. There's too many awesome things about it to not go join. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? All of these products are on our site now. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.